Wow, guys, everything is in blood. Look at Banter Bubble. This is a huge opportunity to buy the dip, to buy pullback. But when are you gonna know this is the right time to buy the pullback? When are you gonna know now the pullback is over? Let me buy and make some massive gains as price move to the upside. We can see TRB Coin is down tremendously at $100 per TRB. If we go to the higher time frame, right now you can see that where this coin is, we can expect even more downward, and it's sitting at a critical resistance level right now, a support level right now at this point in time. This is huge for those who are investing in this project. You can look at this zone as an important zone to buy, like huge buy of the pullback. This is just one coin alone. And you see, we look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins out there. The whole market is in blood. Bitcoin right now at 88,600. Wow, this is huge. Where do we expect price to move further? And how can we take advantage of this movement? That's what I want us to embark on today's video, guys. I want us to look at the juice in the market. I'm happy because I'm down. Of course, I'm down, bro. Not that down, not that significant down. Why? Because I'm playing the Bitcoin game. I'm playing the game that you hold most of your assets in Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin take a sudden dip to the downside, you know most altcoins are going to bleed like hell. And exactly this is the case. And now I have the opportunity to go into the market and shop for these altcoins. Guys, look at crypto as if you're selling in the market. You are buying and selling stuff, and you want to buy stuff when they are cheap and sell them when they are high. But in the market, you have stuff that people always will come and buy. Like these are stuff that are on high demand always whenever there's low price, right? So Bitcoin is that asset that is always going to be moving up and down based on demand and supply. And right now we know that the Bitcoin ETF is caused the price of Bitcoin to go down. Why? Because people are taking out profit, and now this is affecting other altcoins because Bitcoin moves the market. So I want to present to you guys amazing stuff going on in the crypto space and how you can take advantage of it. And if say you want to keep getting this vibe, this juicy vibe from me every day, every weekdays, and make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Someone need to hear that this is a moment that they can make money. So guys, let's dive right away and look at these zones. We're going to look at different coins today, but let's begin with the Alpha Bitcoin, and we're going to go to Chirpley, TRB, Solana. I bought some Solana already, and we're going to look at also I think we're going to look at Audi. Yeah, we're going to look at Audi, and we're going to look at ICP. Yeah, so let's begin with Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hours time frame, and as you can see, guys, Bitcoin looks like this. This is wow, I love this. Now, this is a zone where I think we are gonna see a pullback, and this is a must. I mean, guys, I'm not saying this because I wanna like make you guys feel as if I know exactly when it's gonna be the pullback. This is gonna be where the pullback will be first. $36,678 price point, and it's gonna be around 35,812 to 37,000. So in this zone, this is a zone that we're gonna see price come, and we're gonna see huge price action here. So you guys should mark this zone, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do a live show and show you guys that when the Beton is talking, you have to listen to the Beton, and this is gonna be where most of those altcoins are gonna also pump, And we can see this happen during the US market. We can see a huge movement to the downside like this. Price can move like this down here, like whoop. But we have seen level 1 drop to 3, so we cannot see another drop here, and this is gonna absorb most of the liquidity here before we can see price move upward. And guys, remember what I mentioned lately, before in one of my stream or in most of my stream. When we see price move like this towards this area, it's healthy. Prices have to come and retest these zones before we can confirm that these zones are important support zones for Bitcoin. You can see, and if the worst case scenario, guys, if the worst case scenario is gonna play here, we're gonna see Bitcoin go to $34,000. So that's the worst case scenario for me, doing this pullback. That's where we're going to see Bitcoin move towards. So if you are holding Bitcoin, then you should be looking at Bitcoin, in a way that it will give you an opportunity to buy your other altcoins, because if say you don't have that drive, that coin that will going to give you the go ahead to buy altcoins, then maybe you might end up making big mistakes by thinking, okay, now is the time to buy. But one guy in my group said, okay, should I buy those altcoins right now? I told him, no, you don't have to buy those altcoins right now, because this could be a trap, right? This could be a trap that you buy and after you buy, they dump it on you. You have to wait until the market is cooled down, and if you have to buy something else, it's gonna be Bitcoin. So let's move and see what's going on with Odi. Now, looking at Odi, guys, Odi is gonna get to $48,000. I mentioned this, I think yesterday or today. I was talking about this to my wife. My wife is a huge investor also, so we talk about this stuff. Different zone, and I look at this zone and like, okay, we can see all the goes to 49, 38, 48,000, and even $40,000. So this is the area of where you can expect ODI. But right now, guys, is a start buying of ODI. So you can start DCA ODI right now. Don't think that the market is just move down to because the other area where I'm still looking at ODI is going to be at $26 or $25 price point, right? But right now, we have the opportunity to buy and wait for price to go back towards the pullback. Now, if we bring in the alpha trend, let's bring in the Beton indicator so we can get the juice here with ODI. So let's go to ODI and see, okay, if what will happen if that's going to be the case, like exactly what can we do if say ODI get to those zones. So let's look at this indicator and let me tell you guys what I'm seeing here right now. Okay, guys, by the way, if you want to get this indicator, just go to Trading View right now, go to indicators, search for the Beton, and you're gonna get the Beton moving average, but and also the Beton strategy. Choose the Beton moving average. This is the one I'm using for now. I'm still working on the Beton strategy. I'm gonna inform you guys when I'm done with that. But choose this the Beton moving average, and guys, this is what I'm waiting for. Now, price is gonna wait to kiss this 800-day moving average. Yeah, I always say kiss it. Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. If you say price is not able to kiss it, then price will hawk it until price is gonna leave that moving average. This is the moving average. You're gonna make its way right to this area. So far as this moving average is here, price is gonna keep doing this. Price is gonna do this, go up, come down again, and retest this, and maybe by that time this moving average must have come up. This is a slow moving average, and yeah, that's where we're gonna see all the price playing, or maybe price can just do like this, move straight down here before price can go back and retest this zone. But this is the area where if say you see ODI get to that area, you're gonna sell your ODI again, hoping for ODI to make a huge move. So where do you want to sell your ODI? You want to sell your ODI whenever you see ODI kiss this moving average, the 200-day moving average. If say you see ODI do this pullback, do like this, if ODI does this, move like this and touch this moving average, this you can see the 200-day moving average has crossed the 50-day moving average. This is bearish for me. So when price kills that moving average, the 50-day moving average, that's when you are gonna sell ODI again, and this is gonna be around this zone. Yeah, I think that it's gonna be around this zone. But let me pull the alpha trend. Let's see what the alpha trend is gonna give us. Let me refresh this. I think the alpha trend is not yet. It's not here. Let me refresh this if see the alpha trend can come, because the alpha trend always gives me areas where I can buy and take out profit. Am I on the right spot right now? Well, I'm already having signals here with Celo. Okay, Celo has gotten to my point. Let's check on Celo right now. Okay, you can see I did this. I marked this zone for Celo back then and said if I see Celo here, I'm gonna buy Celo. And Celo has gotten to that zone. I'm gonna wait to see if Celo is gonna hold this zone before I can buy against Celo. But let's go back to ODI. I was talking about ODI. I just got this buy signal for Celo. I'm not gonna buy it now because Bitcoin is not just stable. But if Bitcoin is stable, then I'm gonna buy that coin. All right. So let's just go to ODI again and let's see what I was saying here. All right. Now, I have to bring this again. I don't know why. Alpha trend, moving average. Yep. Okay. So as I mentioned, I'm waiting for price to kiss this moving average. So if price kiss that moving average, I'm gonna then understand that this is the time for me to sell. But there's something else I want to show you guys. If you say I have to sell ODI, I have to sell ODI when I see ODI does this, like move and kiss this moving average, yeah. And if say ODI is not able to break that moving average and come back and retest it, I'm not gonna buy it again. Yeah. So that's how you're gonna use this moving average. And also, I was trying to show you guys how to get the moving average. When you get the moving average, it's gonna appear. It's not gonna appear like this, right? I'm the one who like mark all these zones. I actually like design it my own way, so you can design it your own way. But literally what this does is this is acting as support and resistance. The line here, the tree line here is acting as support and resistance. The above the green one above is acting as support when price is in an uptrend, and the blue one is acting as resistance now that price has broken, and the 200-day moving average is acting as a pivot point, like that is like a point of control. So when price get there, if price is above it, we're gonna see uptrend. If price is below it, we're gonna see downtrend, or more downtrend, right? And price is gonna always move in that range, right? So if say you're investing in these coins, then you have to look at the zones, as an area of interest where you can get in and get out. Now we are looking at price doing this. Price cannot just break these zones here. I think we can even see all they go to $45 like today, right? You can see a huge quick bounce of price before maybe price can weekly. We can see a huge buy week up, like right back to this zone here. I think that's gonna be for those who are investing in ODI. Let's see, this is gonna be the case. Let me just take off this here right now, and then see what I can do here to give you guys a proper target. So this is the area for ODI, and this is what price zone. Well, I can see the alpha trend here, and also this is gonna be the area where you can either, like, if price break, at least price might break and above this moving average here. And if price does that, then we can expect price to either move back and come back and retest this zone again. If price hold, then price can go and move and make higher highs. So looking at ODI right now, guys, I think we have some few leg downward, and we're gonna see bounce back of price of ODI. So take note, you can start this. We have to see a pullback, and these are the areas we want to see pullback from. These areas, there's lots of liquidity here, a lot of buy pressure here. So definitely price is going to bounce back from there. Now let's do a proper checkup on TRB, Taylor coin. TRB has been one of my favorite coins like lately because of how it moves. It's like one of those coins that can really print you Bitcoin. Can print you a lot of Bitcoin, guys. But now let's digest TRB where price is right now. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame so I can see, I can show you guys some cool stuff here for TRB. Now, guys, the thing is, price have to come and kiss this moving average up here. There's no way price won't come and kiss this moving average here. Like, yeah, this one here. This is around 1 to 21. Or that's on the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, that's doable. We're gonna see a huge week. Or the area where I'm seeing price to get to from where price is right now is at this zone. From where this sell signal is printed, this area here, and that's at 115. So right now, buying Teller coin can make you $15 straight away like that, right? And I think we're gonna see price move towards that area. I think I'm gonna buy one Teller coin anytime soon after the show. I'm gonna consider buying, because Teller is back to where I drew this area, this zone here. So I should expect Teller to pull back from this area, right? So what I'm expecting is price to make a huge move upward, then price come back to retest this zone. Let me make this clearer so you can see. So price is gonna do like move upward, then price should come back and retest again this zone. But if say I look at this, I'm not able to see the 800-day moving average. So it's pretty tight for Teller. I'm not really seeing some stuff here that is gonna give me Teller is TRB Coin is Bitcoin printer. I'm gonna print me more Bitcoin. So the movement here is so huge, guys. It's so huge. We can see a huge pump for TRB. Like, this is gonna be 14% retracement. Wow, about 50% retracement. That's cool from where price is right now. So we have already seen about I think that's 12% deep for Teller, and yeah, this can continue with Teller and other altcoins out there. What other altcoins, guys, you want me to look at? I think I've looked at the coins that I want to look at. But let's look at ICP. ICP also is one of the coins I'm holding. Let's see ICP. Okay, ICP, guys. I just bought some ICP before I went live, and I see a huge play with ICP, the same with TRB Coin. But the gains for TRB Coin, of course, is going to be more than ICP. But let's see the move here, how much we can expect. That's also 14% to the upside, almost 15%. Right, but there's a trend here that you can see. Okay, guys, I told you guys, I mentioned about this indicator here. You can see this huge wick going up and touching this green moving average here. When price does and you see a rejection, note that price is gonna keep going down. You can see it here. Price tried to move up here. We saw it bounced from this red zone here, the point of control, which is acting as a 200-day moving average, and price rejected from it, and also price tried at this point also, and price rejected from it. So we're gonna see another attempt, doing this pullback. Price is gonna attempt to kiss that moving average again, and if that happens and you see a massive pullback, then know that you're gonna get out. So we can trade this range, keep trading this range until price. You can see, look at the buyback going on right now with ICP. And if I zoom back, I'm gonna show you where ICP is. You're gonna be shocked, guys, that price is pulling back from a key area. Look at this area here. I've mentioned this over and over, guys, that you don't play with technical analysis. But like, when you look at technical analysis, it gives you different zones where you're gonna see reaction in the market, and this is the zone where you are going to be accumulating ICP, and if the ICP goes downward, you're going to accumulate again. Guys, the idea is you don't fail to accumulate this project. You keep on accumulating this project as you go down, and you sell when it gets to resistance. You sell when you get to you sell when it gets to resistance. You buy when it gets to support. You sell. So you keep playing around, and you're going to make profit, round the clock. But the idea, guys, is you are able to make money round the clock to be able to buy Bitcoin again. So I think we're gonna see this coin bounce. The liquidity up here is so huge, and we're gonna see some sort of retracement back to around $12. That's the area where, looking at the 4 hours time frame, I think we can see a retracement back. And if we look at the trend below, I can say that we are gonna be going upward soon. You can see it's already squeezing here, and when it's squeezing, maybe we're gonna look for an opportunity to move upward and make huge gains with this coin. So I think really right now is the time for us to look at an at these coins as an opportunity to print more Bitcoin. Ethereum also looks so good. The thing with Ethereum is I see. Let me show you guys the zones for Ethereum that I think. Like I think Ethereum is done here. Like Ethereum is not gonna go more downward, or maybe Ethereum can. You can see a huge wick down to $2,000 per Ethereum. Then we're gonna see a huge buyback because you can see on the daily time frame for Ethereum, the alpha trend has not yet printed any sell signal. But when you go to Bitcoin, you're going to see that the alpha trend has printed a sell signal on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is at risk more than Ethereum. We're going to see more upside with Ethereum than Bitcoin. And also when you look at Solana, we're going to see that also the alpha trend has printed a sell signal on Solana. And the same with Audi. I think with Audi, Audi haven't yet print the alpha trend haven't yet printed a sell signal, but we're gonna see some bounce back with Audi. So guys, this is it for today. I think to an extent I've given you guys a heads up on what you might expect in the market. Go and make some money, go and grab the liquidity and enjoy yourself. I just want to focus why the market open because I want to get involved with some coins that I've been watching. That's why I have to go right now. So guys, make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button if you say you haven't done that. Thumbs up and share my content with someone else out there. And guys, comment below what you think. What coin are you holding? What should I be doing analysis on? Tell me your coins, so that I can, create time to do the analysis for you to understand when to buy, take out profit, and stay away from that coin. And if you say you want to be part of my community, the link is found below this video. And if you say you want to get what I'm buying and when I'm buying it, make sure you join my community by joining the Telegram subscription or become a Patreon. When you do that, you have my one-on-one buy signals and sell signals as well. So make sure you do all that good stuff and see you tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye.